Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete all Facebook group posts at once. All right, let's begin. Now, first, you need to understand one thing clearly. You cannot delete all Facebook group posts at once with a single tap. However, Facebook puts all your group posts in one place, which makes deleting them one by one much easier. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Now scroll down and find Your Activity and open Activity Log. At the top, use the Filter option and select Groups to show only your group posts. Once the posts load, tap on the three dots next to each post and select Delete. Keep in mind that deleted posts go to the recycle bin, so open it as well if you want to permanently remove them. So that's basically how you can delete all Facebook group posts at once. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.